Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. Today in this video I'm showing you some beautiful press-on nails. If you are going to the any event of your family and you want that you look extraordinary in all of them, so you have to put these press-on nails on your fingers, which would enhance the beauty of your hands, and you would be the one who is wearing these extraordinary nails. So yeah, these are the some beautiful nails. If you want to follow the design, you have to do it. This is a beautiful combination of nude color nails having a beautiful heart on them, and the white color is obviously the beauty. So these are the nails having a pearls carved on them with a black bow. I hope you will like these designs I'm showing you in this video. If you are liking this video, then do subscribe my channel and like my channel, and also tell me in the comment section the next video you want about that.